Yeah, this thing on. I guess I drive big American car. So why so big? Why Americans drive such big car? He's like two Yugos. He's like he's bigger than steering wheel, and he's big this way. It won't even fit on Yugoslav road. A big back seat. Why you need such big back seat? And look at the sheet in this trunk. Why you need such big trunk? And what is this? Grandma and grandma. Jason's wife is not grandma. Oh, car grandma. Let's take a big American piece of shit. Let's take big American car for drive. Yeah. Okay, it's no manual and no clutch. So what? We just turn key. Many kilowatts of power. And what is this on the radio? It's country music. I don't know. I don't get country music. Turn off. It's cold. Climate control. We turn off. It no shift. Why no shift? Oh, foot on brake. Okay. Seat belt. Safety third. Oh, big car. Oh, many big ones. He's got big ones. Why is everything in America big? Big trucks, big cars, big girls. I like big girls. You drive like boat. You sail boat, you don't drive boat. It feel like couch. It feel like chair. It feel like sofa. It feel like pillow. Everything in America, big. But you help me with understanding. Chattahoochee. What is Chattahoochee? And even hoochie coochie. What is a hoochie coochie? No idea what a hoochie coochie is. And why is a hoochie coochie so hot? We get on Parkway. And we hammer down. I bet I look ridiculous driving big car, big hat, with big beard. Okay. Pedal to the floor. that noise? Is big car. Nobody like big car home. Everybody like Hugo. My grandma like Hugo. It's not Hugo. It's a big American piece of big American shitbox. Won't even do burnout. Okay, so maybe it do burnout. So if you want to buy lots of gas and lots of tires and have to take your kids with you and pay big insurance and not find parking space in parking lot, buy big stupid American car. If you like country music and you lose your dog and house and wife and kids, buy big stupid American car. If you want gas and you don't want to spend much on tires and you don't want people with you, if you like this channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and let's get Jason to 10,000 subscribers. Okay? Do it. If you like, then you drive Hugo.